Good morning, no, not good morning. Good afternoon, everybody. It is currently 5 p.m. and I have not gotten out of bed yet. So this vlog is going to be a Sunday reset. You know, like all those TikTokers who I decided to do that today. So I have to clean my room. I'm gonna work out. I'm going to go to the grocery store. I'm gonna make dinner and just, reset my day, I guess. Good morning, everybody. So yesterday I passed out and didn't get back up until like 12 at night and stayed up till like 5 a.m. watching Netflix. Today we're getting stuff done. Right now, I just made breakfast. I made oatmeal and the TikTok and viral coffee. I don't know. It's edible. I need to get ready because Peyton and I are going to a music store to get her ukulele fixed. I need to get ready because we're supposed to leave in like 6 minutes and I'm just gonna wash my face and throw on an outfit. So let's do that. Hello everybody. So we went to the guitar store, came back, and now I'm here. Okay, so I wrote down everything that I have to do today. So I have guitar store, now I have to clean room, then clean bathroom, clean kitchen, organize fridge and freezer. Then I'm gonna go grocery shopping, put all that away, blah blah blah. Don't know what time it is. And then I'm gonna go through my clothes, and then I'm gonna put up my clothes on Facebook to sell some of them. And then I'm going to make dinner. And I have to change my calendar to February. For my notes, I wrote down I have to remember to drink water, and my rent is due tomorrow. Let's go do that. My room's not that messy. I'm gonna do like a before and after. Okay, so I just have these LED lights and I think I'm gonna like put them underneath here. So it like goes around here or here. Let's do that. Okay, so I really like how I did my lights in my bathrooms. So, okay, it looks way better in person. Let's just like, yeah. So this is what it looks like. I don't know why it looks regular on here, but it's orange. Then we got some other colors, blue, turquoise, darker blue, green. Whoa, is that changing colors? Okay, cool. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so my room is now clean. I just have to wait for my sheets to be washed and then I can completely be set with my room, but bathroom's dope. Yeah. So now I'm going to just organize and clean out the fridge and then I'm going to do those. But it's my towel that's drying because it's too much for the washer, so. Okay, right now I'm gonna go to Meijer, to the grocery store, whatever one, maybe Kroger, I don't know, to get some groceries because I have a whole list and I need to get some food because I'm starving here and I don't have anything. So let's go to the grocery store. Okay, don't mind the glasses, but these are the only ones I have. So total worth of groceries was $70. Oh my god, I look like an idiot. I'm just gonna take them off. Hot dude looking at me, hot dude looking at me, hot dude looking at me. So I'm gonna go back home. I'm kind of getting hungry, so I think I'm gonna try. Oh wait, never mind. I literally bought sushi. I bought sushi. I'm gonna go home and deep fry that. I don't like regular sushi. That was a little too crazy. Anyways, so I'll meet you guys back at the apartment. Okay, here we go. Wait, I need to pretend I'm walking in. Okay, thanks. Cool. Okay, looks like we're doing a little tiny grocery haul. First, raw shrimp. Some shrimp. Cool. Soy sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Peanut sauce because I'm gonna be eating my spring rolls with that. Cream cheese. A big thing of body armor because I've been making smoothies with these. Next bag, baby spinach, some imitation crab, a cucumber, a Philly roll, just because I really wanted some sushi, but I think I'm gonna deep fry this because I don't really like regular sushi. Seaweed wraps because I'm gonna try to be making sushi, Takis, and some egg drops, soup, then rice noodles linguine, spicy kimchi flavor, noodles, gluten-free rice, panko, Japanese style breadcrumbs to make deep fried sushi, and then just some ramen, 2 bell peppers, 2 lemons, 2 limes. I got a thing of dill, which I don't need a thing of dill at all, actually. I just thought I needed it for some reason. Asparagus, bananas. Actually, that's it. So now I need to put it all away, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. Okay, so just finished putting all my stuff away, kinda. It doesn't look like it, but I did. I'm gonna try this sushi now, because I don't like non-deep fried, if that makes sense. Oh. Wait, that's good. Dang. It's a Philly roll. So it has kanakama, cream cheese, and avocado. I'm gonna put it in here. So an absolute fail happened. I decided I was gonna try to like deep fry my sushi. I started cooking some oil. Smoke alarms go off everywhere. So now the oil is out there in a pan. Okay, I decided to move my sushi to the air fryer, probably for the best. This is what it's look like. Taste test. Hold on. I don't really taste. All I taste is the deep fry. I won't lie. You see the steam? Okay, maybe not. Ooh. Do you see how hot that is? There we go. Yeah. Hey. So it's going on 7, I think. So what we got done today is we went to the guitar store, cleaned room, cleaned bathroom, and then I organized the fridge and freezer. I went grocery shopping, and all that's left to do on the list is go through my clothes and put them up on Facebook, make dinner, and change calendar. Let's go through my clothes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one, keep this one, keep this one. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I'm gonna get rid of this. Oh my god. This is like impossible to get back here. Oh my god. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna... A few hours have went by. Me and my roommates made dinner. We made chicken and rice in the Insta Pot, and it was really good actually. I am getting rid of all these clothes on my chair. It's not that many, but majority of them are at home. My clothes are out of the washer or the dryer, so I'm gonna put those in my bed. And then I'm going to do my calendar, I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna just like read, I think, and just try to go to bed early. So let's finish off the night.